Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to invite people to your Discord server. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to probably need to make a server, or maybe you are already in a server and you want to invite somebody. So you go to this top left and you click it and you go to invite people. Now you have two options. Basically, you can either instantly press this invite button and that will invite some of your friends on Discord, or you can just copy this link down here and you can pretty much send this link to anybody. Maybe they are not your friend on Discord or something, or maybe you don't want to be limited by Discord, so maybe you want to send your invite via WhatsApp or TikTok or whatever social media you use. But anyways, you just copy this and you send it to somebody. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.